Boom. Yes, sir. So this is gonna be a quick little video, just testing out my new camera setups. I've got the Insta360 right here. I got the GoPro mounted in another space, and I got the new DJI Mic Mini 2. And yeah, I just want to see the quality of the video, the quality of the sound, and just the different field and point of views, you know, we can have for our videos. Yes, sir. Y'all see that shit? Let's get going, man. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing this shit. So I'm just trying this shit out to see if you guys enjoy these videos. Like, I enjoy making this type of videos and shit. I just enjoy riding my bike. And I hope you guys enjoy it too, dude. This, you know, if we all share a passion or a lifestyle or just a hobby, you know, it's cool to share these moments together, bro. Like, oh, but that sucks, because if the road's closed, there's gonna be a lot of fucking traffic through here. There's probably a lot of police presence and some shit. Lean that bitch, see what I'm saying? Even if you don't lean the bike. You know what I'm saying? I already, like, I've tested out the camera, the 360, on like around my neighborhood or some shit, just to see how it does or whatever. But I like it. I like what I see. Bro. So these pants ain't good for this shit, bro. They're kind of slipping down, and I'm like falling off of the bike. So swing trunks ain't good for wheelies. Oh my god, bro, I'm flying away. So this is gonna be a good addition to the videos, because I could get shorts, I could get all types of shit, bro. Is this road closed? Is it closed? It don't look close to me. I'll just head home. Oh, the clutch is burning, or the rear brake, or people here are burning shit. I don't know. Then what fucking road was closed? I don't give a shit. Ooh. Now I see why it's closed. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It's a quick little video just testing out the 360. And I'm just trying to get better quality content for people that watch this. You know, I don't want you guys to be bored, first of all. Second of all, I know, like, having just the GoPro, kind of boring in the sense of you only get one view, so that's why I'm trying to get this 360. So like when I do wheelies I don't have anything set up for a third person view. You guys can see the whole bike on the wheelie, and I don't know if there's cops coming or some shit. You know what I'm saying? guys appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, follow, subscribe, hit like, comment, and support me on this fucking road to I don't know, doing stunts, you know. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll see you.